Today I have Revopoint Metro Y Ultra, the CMM edition. Just go through and unbox it real quick. You have your instructions for the ball plate maintenance. That would be this right here. It's for checking the accuracy of the scanner. On the side, it has the values. You have your standard dual axis turntable. This is the mobile kit for the scanner to be wireless. This cable right here is needed to use. It provides the 12 volts. If you use a regular cable, it's not going to provide enough voltage. USB cable, charger, this would be the tripod. You got your little minifigure. This is going to be your instruction manual, more paperwork, the calibration board. Then we have the scanner itself. As you can see, it's golden color, so it stands out differently from the other line. Well, that's it for the unboxing. I'll get it calibrated and I'll go ahead and do some testing. This is the ball test for accuracy. These are the directions or instructions for it. You're going to start by doing a global marker scan. Once that's complete, then you move on with the point cloud scanning. Right here, I simply just aimed to do about 6,000 frames just to make sure everything was covered. And this right here is all real-time scanning speeds. With the 90 frames per second, it does scan pretty fast. Then once you finish scanning the point cloud, it'll go ahead and process everything. The actual processing only took a few minutes. Then you want to enter the reference value that's found on the side of the box. This was mine, so this is the number I entered. As you can see, the accuracy is well within what they claim it to be. If you'd like to get yours, the link is in the description for their website. This will conclude the unboxing. I'll get some more scans done and some videos up later. Thank you for watching.